In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Coinbase price alerts. By the end, you'll have real-time updates on the coins you care about, so you never miss a move. First, open Coinbase and head to the search bar. Type in the asset you want to track, like a major coin or a token you're following. On the assets page, look for the small bell icon. Tap the bell, then choose Add Alert. Here, you'll pick whether you want to be notified when the price goes above a certain level or below it. Think about your goal. Use above if you're watching for a breakout, and below if you want to know when the price dips to a buy zone you're considering. Enter your target price carefully, then confirm. Next, adjust how often you want to hear from Coinbase. In the Price Alerts menu, select the alert frequency that fits your needs. If you're actively trading, more frequent alerts can be helpful. If you're a long-term holder, choose less frequent notifications to keep your phone from buzzing non-stop. You can always come back and fine-tune this later. Quick note while we're here, if you don't already have the Coinbase app or you prefer using the website, I've placed a direct download link for the official app and the website link right at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly and safely. Now, let's make sure your notifications actually reach you. Open the app menu, go to Account and Settings, then tap Notification Settings. From here, enable or disable the types of alerts you want. Push notifications are best for instant updates on your phone. In-app alerts show when you open Coinbase, and email alerts are great if you prefer a record in your inbox. Choose the combination that works for your workflow and attention level. Finally, check your device settings. Even if you turn on push inside Coinbase, your phone can still block them. Go into your phone's system settings, find the Coinbase app, and make sure notifications are allowed. Enable banners, sounds, or badges if you want them so price alerts show up in real time. This step is essential to avoid missed updates. That's it. You've set your price threshold, tuned how often you get notified, chosen the types of alerts you want, and confirmed your device is ready to deliver them. If your strategy changes, revisit the price alerts menu anytime to adjust. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and grab the official app and website links at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.